Daniel Padilla, Richard Gutierrez.
Everyone, let's give it up for the cast of Incognito! Simulan muna natin kay Mr. Baron Geisler.
Pero teka lang,
Yes.
parang nagde-decide sila. Sino ba ang uupo sa gitna? Sino ba daw? Nagkakahiya pa si Ian, si Richard, at si Daniel, pero nagbigay-pugay sila. Kay Kuya.
Yes.
Kay Kuya Ian. Sige, Baron, just to address the fans, message mo sa kanila.
Maraming salamat for being here. Excited din kami magkita kayo. And let's all have fun sa, FanCon natin. And please, sa lahat ng mga nandito, panoorin niyo talaga itong Incognito dahil pinaghirapan po namin itong lahat. Solid to para sa inyo. Love you!
Alright, thank you so much, Baron Geisler. Next up, Kyla Estrada in the house.
Hello! Good evening, everybody! Maraming salamat. Thank you for taking the time to be with us today. Mag-enjoy lang tayo tonight. At syempre, sobrang excited na kami na mapanood ninyo ang Incognito. So maraming salamat.
Thank you, Kyla. Now let's give it up for Anthony Jennings. Anthony.
Hello everyone, good evening po sa lahat ng pumunta dito. Maraming salamat po sa pagtalo ninyo. And of course, sobrang excited na ako ng balik ng show na po. Sana na-appreciate nyo.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Anthony Jennings. Next up, Maurice Racal. Hello, everyone. Kamusta kayo lahat? Ang dami nyo. Thank you so much for coming tonight. Excited na ba kayo sa Incognito? Kami rin, super. Mag-enjoy lang tayo tonight. And thank you so much for coming. Love you guys.
Thank you, Maurice. Now, palakpakan naman po natin, Richard Gutierrez.
Hi everyone, maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagdalo dito sa FanCon Incognito. Mag-enjoy tayo ngayong gabi at sana po abangan ninyo Incognito, malapit na.
Thank you, Richard.
Next up, we have Daniel Padilla!
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat and Happy New Year. Ito na po ang Incognito, ilang araw na lang. Sana ko supportahan ninyo lahat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Daniel Padilla, and of course, last but not the least, Ian Veneracion!
Hello everyone, it's wonderful to be here. Thank you for coming and sana abangan nyo talaga yung Incognito July 17 kasi I'm sure mag-enjoy kayo as much as kami nag-enjoy gawin yung show.
Alright, maraming salamat po for your initial, pating panimula, opening remarks ng ating kasang Incognito. Pero ladies and gents, magre-request na po kami. Would it be okay to stand up about face for a group photo op with our fans?
Yes.
Yes.
With our fans, so syempre guys, gusto mo, kasama po kayo, so mag-post po kayo. Ipakita niyo yung mga posters ninyo. Ayan. Remember that surprise segment? We have your posters that you guys will be giving.
Nakakasisi ah. Imbog ka ah. Wala, lumapit ka talaga oh.
Group photo po nga, group photo muna tayo. Group photo please. Mga ka-Northern fashion mo sa ating meet and greet. Okay. Group tayo mga batch.
Okay, tingin po sa sarili. 3, 2, 1, and go!
3, 2, 1, and go!
Okay.
Thank you! Thank you! Next batch po. Thank you! From this moment forward po, group photo po tayo with our official photographer and to give way to our next batch. Batches!
Okay. So sa mga palating po, hindi na po kayo sa likod ng mga artista na uupo, ay tatayo, dito po kayo. Mga prinsesa at reyna, mga madam. Okay. Ay, prinsesa, mga madam, puro mga kuya pala yung next batch. So go! Have a seat, guys. Ayan.
Alright, photo po tayo. And 3, group photo po, group photo, and 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Alright, thank you po.
Thank you.
Next batch, thank you.
Diba, meron na po yung massage service care of Anthony James. Charot. Pag dito kayo pumwesto, meron pong massage service.
Oh, one last group pic with the host, tapos one last cast picture.
Once again, palakpakan naman po natin, Vista Montagig! Maghiyawan po tayo, Anthony Jennings, Maris Racal, Baron Geisler, Kyla Estrada, Richard Gutierrez, Ian Venezuela, and Daniel Padilla. We hope this night will be memorable for all of you because this is for you. Do not miss out on Netflix, January 17.
On January 18 on iWant TFC.
At January 20 sa Kapamilya Channel, Kapamilya Online Live, A to Z, GPTV, at the TV5. Once again, ako po, si Mix Bustos.
Yes, thank you guys so much for joining us for the Incognito FanCon 2025.
Happy New Year, everyone. Stay
Woo!
safe.
Yes.
And God bless.
Ingat po, everyone.